Welcome to another video at Learn IT in less than 5 minutes. Today we are going to talk about what is ZLE. ZLE stands for Zero Latency Enterprise. As we all know, latency means in layman's term, we can say is delay. Delay could be in between two different systems, two different, I'll say the APIs, business to business communication. Any sort of communication and delay or lag in between them is called latency. With this, we will try to understand when an enterprise should be called as a ZLE, Zero Latency Enterprise, and we will also try to learn with one of the example which enterprises are considered to be uh, ZLE kind of enterprises. So let's get back to with one of the example. So let us consider an example of an web-based multi-vendor mm, kind of multi-vendor kind of selling platform where you have a order management payment system is there, and at the same time after the order is placed you wanted to trigger an email with an order confirmation to the customer actually. So there are two ways to design this system. Basically, when you place an order, you definitely wanted to have a payment processed immediately. Okay, otherwise, there is a possibility that when you make a call, uh, if you decide to make a call at the end of the day, it might not work for your business because the customer might close an account or he might draw some of the money if you make certain transactions at the end of the day. So this needs to happen to be as much as real time as possible. Okay, and at the same time you wanted to trigger an email to customer also. There is a possibility certain organization might do periodically in terms of batch the emails processing. Okay, which is a kind of practice where uh, customer gets after 1 hour an email and he's kind of searching for the email about where what happened to my order, and he keeps on calling to your customer service also, I haven't received the order confirmation also. So that kind of scenarios you need to avoid. Okay, so any enterprise with a zero latency, when it is said, it means that they process most of the transaction and there is actually a zero latency in between the multiple systems with which they are going to talk to. It could be external systems also, or it could be an internal systems to perform a certain kind of work actually. This could be anywhere. Basically, the example which we have learned here is about order processing, but it could be a certain case management system where it needs to talk to multiple systems before it processes any order. Uh, that also where it needs some talking to external systems also. So zero latency enterprise is a kind of way you can market it when you can tell that all our systems talk to each other and the data, the information in between all the system is in sync. And that is a very big plus point for any organization to sell their product as well uh, as well as sell their themselves in the market actually, that the enterprise is a zero latency enterprise, and that's where the ZLE is used actually. So we have learned when, why it can be called, and which enterprises are considered to be a ZLE. With that, thank you very much and see you next time with another video. In the meantime, please do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.